Hello friends, last time we have seen reactions of phenol, and today last point from this topic is study of epoxides. Okay, epoxide is a three-membered heterocyclic compound having two carbon and one heteroatom. It is a three-membered heterocycle having oxygen, also known as epoxide or ethylene oxide or oxirane, also known as oxirane or epoxide or ethylene oxide. Secondly, suppose you are given this type of structure. This is known as three carbon, known as propylene oxide. Structure of propylene oxide. Suppose 4 carbon with one heteroatom oxygen. Structure of butene oxide. Structure of butene oxide. So in short, epoxide is a three-member heterocycle having oxygen as heteroatom, same as oxirane or ethylene oxide. Okay. Then it is obtained from alkene. So starting from ethylene, in presence of air oxidation with silver catalyst plus 1/2 O2 in presence of silver catalyst. So this ethylene convert to ethylene oxide. CS2 single bond CS2 linked to 2, known as epoxide or ethylene oxide, air oxidation of ethylene. Secondly, suppose this ethylene react with peracid, that is RCO3H, structure of peracid. When ethylene react with peracid, again gives epoxide with removal of carboxylic acid, RCOOH. So formation epoxide, first method obtained from air oxidation and second from peracid. Okay. Then some addition reactions of epoxide. Some addition reaction of epoxide. Number one is addition of water. Here suppose starting compound is our epoxide. When it react with water molecule, simple addition takes place. This O linked with hydrogen, so OH, CH2, CH2, OH. Simply formation of OH, CH2, CH2 and OH. OH, CH2, CH2, OH. The formation of ethylene glycol. That is first reaction, addition of water. So similarly, addition of HBr. So again, OH, CH2, CH2, Br. This is known as ethylene bromohydrine. With HBr, it gives bromohydrine. Number 2. Same suppose HCl. Again OH, CH2, CH2, Cl. Simple addition reaction. It gives ethylene chlorohydrine. Ethylene chlorohydrine. Next suppose addition of HCN, hydrogen cyanide. Again similar OH, CH2, CH2, Cn. Known as ethylene cyanohydrine. Okay, very simple reactions, addition reactions. Secondly, suppose this epoxide react with ethanol, CH3, CH2OH. Ethanol plus epoxide, Cl gives CH3, CH2O, CH3, CH2O, then CH2, CH2O, and this remaining H. CH3, CH2O, CH2OH. Ethoxy ethanol. It gives ethoxy ethanol. Okay. Suppose react with ammonia. NH3. Again similar. OH, CH2, NH2. OH, CH2 and NH2. Okay, simple addition product. Next, suppose with Grignard reagent, that is RMgX, epoxide combined with Grignard reagent. Suppose for example CH3, CH2, MgBr. It is known as ethyl magnesium bromide. Example of Grignard reagent combined with epoxide. First gives additional product CH3, CH2. Okay, one more CH2, CH2, always O linked with metal. So OMgBr. I repeat, CH3, CH2, again 2 CH2, OMgBr, addition product, and secondly hydrolysis, addition of water. So removal of MgOHBr, CH2O and this H. So it gives primary alcohol, formation of primary alcohol with Grignard reagent and epoxide. And last from this topic is, that is formation of epoxy resin. Formation of epoxy resin obtained from sodium ethoxide will react with epoxide. See here, sodium ethoxide plus epoxide, it gives C2H5O, CH2, ONA. Simple addition. Suppose this product further combined with second molecule of epoxide. Suppose react with second molecule of epoxide. Again it gives C2H5O, CH2O, again CH2, ONA, and finally addition of HCl, removal of NaCl, and this final is known as formation of, suppose n times many molecules epoxide gives epoxy resin. So dear students, these are some reactions of epoxides. I repeat, today we have seen epoxide definition, some examples, method for the preparation, and some additional reactions. Okay, that is from your SEM 3 paper number 1. We completed syllabus of paper 1. First topic from Sanam sir, then second from my side, organomagnesium and organolithium compounds, then alcohols, phenols and epoxides. Okay, so all the best for your theory exam. All the best.